Namaskaram. Welcome to the Sophiya's Food and Vlogs. Delicious recipes, food adventures, and fun vlogs all in one place. Subscribe and join me on this tasty journey. Let's check out the ingredients. Green gram, fresh coconut, cardamom, cumin seeds, Maida Flour, turmeric, and the melted jaggery. Yes, this is time for cooking. Let's go step by step. Step 1 is boiling green gram. First, wash the green gram, add enough water and place it in the cooker for boiling. Let it cook until it becomes soft but not mushy. Step 2 is preparing the mix. Now that our green gram is ready, we will add freshly grated coconut, a little powdered cardamom and cumin seeds. This combination gives us a rich aroma and a naturally sweet taste. Next is frying coconut. In a pan, heat a spoon of ghee or oil and fry the coconut until it turns golden brown. This step adds a wonderful crunch and depth of flavor to our sweet. Now, time for mixing green gram and coconut. Add the boiled green gram into the pan and mix it gently with the fried coconut. Stir well so that all the flavors combine beautifully. Add the melted jaggery into this and stir till the water content vaporizes completely. Now, sprinkle in the cardamom powder and cumin. Stir for a few minutes until the fragrance fill your kitchen. This mix is the heart of our sweet dish. Let's shape the filling. Once the mixer cools slightly, take small portion and roll them into round balls. These will form the delicious filling for our sweet. Preparation of batter. Take Maida flour, pinch of turmeric and enough salt, then water. Mix gently to form a smooth, soft batter, not too thick or runny. We have sliced some Kerala bananas as well. So, dip each balls and also slices of ripe bananas into the batter. Make sure they are evenly coated. Heat oil in a pan. Once hot, carefully drop the coated balls and bananas into the oil. Fry until they turn golden brown and crisp on the outside. Our golden sweet dumplings with jaggery and coconut are ready. A perfect Dasara sweet for family and friends. Wishing you all a happy Dasara. Don't forget to like and subscribe.